USB load and go function. Insert CF card, and close the lid. Carry the program from PC with USB memory. Insert USB memory. Press Program key and select SoftKey folder. Press Soft Key Device Change. Press Soft Key USB. Display the files in USB memory. Place cursor to program, which is required to run. Press Soft Key Load Program. Program on USB memory is loaded into internal program memory of CNC or FANUC prg.bin folder. In addition, loaded program automatically become main program. Change CNC to auto mode. Do cycle start. Loaded program started running. Checksum is automatically added to loaded program. Therefore, program corruption can be detected and machine can be safely stopped.